Speaker, sir. This is about Zuari Agrochemicals.
Yeah. Last.
CRZ 2001 New industries and expansion permission जाऊन CRZ and CZM in दिवपा जायना. आता in this particular project, I am just giving the gist, what I understand. Correct me if I am wrong. हो project पडे हा तो expansion आणि tank हा 5,000 लिटर्सांची tank ammonia atmospheric ammonium tank सारखी दोरी आमी तर बांधताय. It is in 0 to 500. आमगे बारीक जो तर एक fisherman आहा जाल्यार तेक त्रास जाता. तेक कित त्रास जाता? तेगे demolition जाता. आता I want to know इतू तेजे दोरया मानताय इतू तेजेर ऑब्जेक्शन आहा इतू ते लास्ट टाइम अनेकदा तेगेले अमोनिया वचोन आख्खे वेलसांवचे नुस्तें बुस्तें पेटी जाल्लें मेनी इयर्स बॅक आनी हावजांनीक बोवाड जालें बरी व्हडली आमी तेन्ना नासले बट इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणल्यार कितें आतां तें जो तरी टँक केली थिंगा इट इज एटमॉस्फेरीक अमोनिया ती हुंय पावतली आनी ही जो तरी पावली जाल्यार कितें जातलें तें दॅट इज अ बिग थिंग आतां MOFान पेंडींग आहा आय वॉन्ट टू नो फ्रॉम द मिनिस्टर बाबा तुम्ही CZMA order review kotle whether you will put this whether you will change these orders because in the appraisal committee report expert appraisal committee report on it is clearly mentioned ki CZMA has to answer why it has given approval.
Speaker sir, first of all what he is saying grant has been done, there is no doubt about the grant. Speaker sir, ही factory 1973 चालू झाली आणि CRZ म्हणटा ते 1996 चालू झाले आणि हे फॅक्टरी भितर स्पीकर सर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जे आसा 520 आणि 850 म्हणजे टोटल स्ट्रेंथ ऑलमोस्ट 1500-1600 लोक डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट जाता इन द फॅक्टरी. रिजनल बाब कितें म्हणटा आय एक्सेप्ट दॅट ते कितें म्हणटा की अमोनिया टँक आहा आनी कितें आसा तें आसा आनी सगळी गोष्टी सारकी आसा आनी तो कितें म्हणटा की prohibited activities within CRZ, the following are to be declared as prohibited within the CRZ. Now, CRZ is something which is come in 96. आता जो गोष्टी 96 and 73 प्लांट बांधलो तेन्ना टेक्नॉलॉजी जी आशिल्ली ती आउटडेटेड आशिल्ली म्हणजे आज कंपेर करपाक गेले जाल्यार आज टेक्नॉलॉजी खूबशी इम्प्रूव जाल्या.
ठीक आहे सर मिनिस्टरान बरो आन्सर दिलो टेक्नॉलॉजी इम्प्रूव जाली म्हणून टेक्नॉलॉजी इम्प्रूव जर तर जाल्यार आमगे गोंयकारांगली टेक्नॉलॉजी इम्प्रूव जाली ती तेका दिसती पडना गोंयकार आतां मातशे व्हडले जाले आनी बरे घरान रावपाक जाता ते फिशरमॅन ते दिसती पडना तेका वो जावं कोण एक बरो एक डान्स फ्लोर घरान सोदिता आनी तेगे डेमोलिश करता तेदोन तेका दिसती पडना इंडस्ट्रींत तेका 1,500 आहा तो लोक तेका दिसती पडटा इंडस्ट्री जो तर 1,500 लोक आहा टेक्नॉलॉजी जो तर इम्प्रूव जाल्या जाल्यार आय वॉन्ट टू टेल द स्पीकर की टेक्नॉलॉजींत न्यू टेक्नॉलॉजी आण CRZ दुकान कित्याक वयर बांदून कित्याक जायना काय म्हणून बाबा तूं आतां कितें सांगू सोदिता की तेंक हेल्प करपाक तूं कितें करूं सोदीत काय म्हणून तेका रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन ब्रेक करूं सोदिता CZMB पॅन हाशाडो सोदिता हेका लागून नाजाल्यार सांग वी वील रायट टू द डिपार्टमेंट एटलीस्ट टेल मी वी वील रायट टू देम टू चेंज इट और डू समथिंग सम रिलॅक्सेशन समवे बिकॉज दिस इज अ प्रोजेक्ट वेर एमोनिया वील बी कमिंग डायरेक्टली इनसाइड द रिवर.
Bring subject, I will answer that subject. Don't bring subject which are not important. I have already on the assurance in the house, I have told that now if he wants me to demolish the factory without giving permission, we will do that also.
I have worked in this factory. I have worked in the internal audit of this factory. If the report, inspection report which is submitted, Honorable Minister,
I'm listening.
if the report is correct, then whatever they are doing is for the improvement, to improve the technology. The factory is going through worst financial stress. The employees are working there, and if this report is correct, I think there is no problem. Government should give the approval so that the factory survives, but not at the cost of pollution. There is no pollution issue here. Not at the cost of environment. There is no environment problem over here. And if there is environment problem, I am sure the minister will take action, but we should help this industries, which is one of the highest income revenue provider to the state of Goa.
Speaker sir, the minister may not have the ready answer, but he must tell us because I was present in the house or perhaps outside the house, I don't recall, but when the factory came, it had a process where they used a catalyst called ferric cyanide, which is nothing but deadly poison.
No, earlier they were using arsenic, that was known as a Vertrox system. Today they are using Banfield system, where they have stopped the arsenic, and when there was arsenic, there was a heavy pollution. So that pollution is stopped.